What's the meaning of Bismarck? Bismarck. Bismarck.
Bismarck. Bismarck. Bismarck is a name that has both historical and cultural significance. It is most commonly associated with Otto von Bismarck, a statesman who played a pivotal role in the unification of Germany in the 19th century. The name Bismarck comes from a town in North Dakota that was named after the German statesman. In popular culture, the name is often used to refer to the famous battleship of the same name that was commissioned by Nazi Germany during World War II. More broadly, the name Bismarck has come to be associated with strength, power, and authority, as well as with the idea of unification and consolidation.